comes another day. I can already feel a packed day coming ahead, but meeting friends on campus is totally worth it. Oh, here they are. Jam's got the right idea to go grab food. The perfect way to kick the sleepiness away. That's the best way to start the day. Coffee with loads of tea. Wink wink. This is our favorite spot. From fun light-hearted conversations to bonding over cheesecake, it all happens here. Oh and yeah, we totally brainstorm ongoing projects too. Well, we try.
Hello there! You must be wondering what's it I'm busy with? I am shooting one of my friends for a surprise video. Shh. And well, guiding him too. Time to head to the library for some editing. Oh, there's Javier. Finally some help.
Yes, I hear you. Midday classes are tough to breeze through, especially when you just had a heavy lunch. But don't worry, we got this. It is fine to be annoyed at friends for not following class, but hey, you always got to help them out, because that is what good friends are supposed to do. Class is finally over. My favorite monthly ritual is next. DA meetings. Let's go!
Our monthly meetings are where we share updates for our ongoing projects and seek feedback for our work. We also have great fun bonding with each other. Sorry, we didn't keep you a piece of the monthly birthday cake. Oops. Oh yeah, that's what we do. Birthday cakes every month. If you haven't figured it out yet, we are all foodies here.
Sometimes, a match of football with our close friends is all we need to forget about our worries. Especially if you're winning.
Vending Machine 101. If you're trying to use it and it is being adamant, you simply have to learn a few tricks.
1. You need to be kind and patient. Seduce.
And for the love of God, press the right buttons. Or might as well just ask a pro for help.
As the day is about to come to a close, the DAs usually gather. working on various projects and coordinating with each other. There is no better note to end the day on than spending time with the people you admire the most. After all, we are not just peers or friends, we are a family. I absolutely cannot wait for tomorrow because every day on campus is a new adventure and we are ready for anything.